In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a file in OneDrive. We'll walk through a clear, reliable way to generate a shareable link, and I'll point out what each setting means so you share confidently and keep control of your content. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you use OneDrive for work or school, make sure you sign in with the correct organizational account so you can see the right files and apply the correct sharing options. Next, locate the file you want to share. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Before you continue, double check that it's the exact version you want others to see or work on. Now, right-click the file and choose Share. If you prefer, you can select the file and click the Share button that appears at the top of the page. This opens the sharing panel where you'll choose who can open the link and what they can do with the file. Choose who can access the link. If you pick anyone with the link, your link will work for anyone who receives it, even if they're outside your organization. This is the most flexible option, but use it carefully since it can be forwarded to others. People in your organization restricts access to those who sign in with an account from your company or school. It's a good default for internal collaboration because recipients must be part of your organization to open the link. Specific people is the most controlled option. The link will work only for the people you designate during the sharing process. Depending on your settings, they may need to verify their identity before accessing the file. Use this when you want precise limited access. Next, set permissions. Choose whether recipients can view only or if they can also edit. View only is best when you want to protect the original content. Allow editing enables others to make changes. Depending on your organization, you may also see options like blocking download for view-only links. Adjust these according to your needs. If you see an apply button after changing these options, click it to save your choices. In some layouts, changes are saved automatically, but apply ensures everything sticks. Finally, click copy link. Your shareable link is now on your clipboard. Paste it into an email, chat, or document. As a best practice, test the link in a different browser profile to confirm it behaves as expected. If access needs change later, return to the file's sharing settings to update or stop sharing. And that's it. Your file is shared with the right people with the right permissions.